my voltmeter is connected to my 12 volt car output socket. So this is the only device connected right now. Alright, so the ignition is turned off. Right, so okay, so let me put the key and turn the ignition on. Alright, okay, so the ignition is on. Okay, so right now the voltage is about 12.45. Okay, now let me crank the engine. Oh god, okay, so we missed the voltmeter. Alright, so looks like we'll have to do this again. Okay, I've turned off. I've put the key in again. Alright, so turn the ignition on. Now I'm going to crank the engine. Now the ignition is actually off. I just turned the power on, so this is directly running off the batteries now. Alright, so I'm going to crank the engine. Here you go. 0.01 and then back to 13.7. So it looks like the power to the 12 volt socket is being cut off when the engine is cranked. Perhaps it's trying to save the electronics, so I think it's good. Right. There's not too much voltage fluctuation here, to be honest. So 0.01 volts perhaps. 1 to 0.0.2, 3, 4. I think at best the voltage fluctuation is about 0.1 volts at the most. We are way low than 0.1 voltage fluctuation, but I think that's the max it could go. So the car is right now not running, it's stationary. Alright, so I'm in my garage, so I really can't test with, I can't go for a drive right now. So while the car is stationary and while the air conditioning is on or off, so I've turned it off now. Both the cases. Okay, let me completely turn the air conditioning off. Alright, so the voltage is gone up to 13.85. Again, perhaps 0.1 volt fluctuation. That's the only thing, I guess. Okay. So I think we're good. So I'm doing this because I want to confirm if I need a voltage stabilizer or rectifier that would actually give a stable output of 12 volts from a range of 10 to 36 volts. So looks like I don't need one. The car is taking care of the voltage fluctuation in the 12 volt socket, but the manual says you should turn off any devices connected to a 12 volt socket when the engine is being cranked. Alright, that's all guys, thank you.